Hey guys, it's Katie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you 25 Christmas crochet patterns that you can crochet in under an hour or less. So the first pattern is this really cute and simple kind of rustic crochet angel ornament pattern. This is a free pattern available on Etsy. It is by Winding Road Crochet. I actually tried out this pattern and made a few myself, and I think they're so cute. You just use a little wooden bead, a tassel, and you crochet like a little circle and fold it in half. It's super easy, super simple. I make these in like 15 minutes. They're so fast to like crank out a bunch of them, so if you're doing like a craft show, they're fairly cheap to make and you can crank out a lot in a small amount of time. So I'm definitely going to be selling these at my craft show because I think they're super cute, simple, and they're just like a great little thing for the holidays, especially if you're looking for like some smaller ticket items to include in your craft booth. I think these are a great option. The next pattern I have is actually a paid pattern, and this is the crochet+bobble+tree pattern by Vibke Magnuson. I cannot pronounce this name. I think it's like German or something, but yeah, so this pattern is available on their Etsy shop and it is $6. I think it's on sale now for like 2 or 3 because they're running like a Christmas deal, but the regular price is $6. I did purchase this pattern and I've been loving making these little bobble Christmas crochet trees, and like my whole family wants them too. But I made 3 for myself in the different sizes. This pattern does include a large, medium, and small. The large takes closer to an hour to make, but you can crank out the small one in probably like 30 minutes. But these are super fun, super cute, and I like using this like glitter acrylic yarn. I think they look super cute with that. But yeah, this is a super fun pattern, and I just think it's a nice little Christmas decoration to kind of dress up your house. I have 3 on my table right now, and I've just been obsessed with making these recently, and yeah, definitely a cute pattern. For number 3, we have this crochet candy cane ornament, and this is a free pattern available on the Yarnspirations website. This pattern is another super simple, quick, you can make this in like 10 minutes tops. Super easy. You just need red and white yarn, twist it together, and you're done pretty much. We have been using wire in them just so they kind of keep their shape a little bit better, but super quick, super easy, and this is another like small quick thing you can make for cheap using acrylic yarn, sell it for a low ticket price at craft shows, and I'm sure it'll be a bestseller. I think this will be like a super cute classic thing to kind of decorate your tree with. I remember growing up we always had little crochet ornaments, or you always see like the older ladies selling little crochet candy canes. Super simple, super cute. So for number 4, we have this super cute baby reindeer amigurumi. This thing is so cute, and especially that it's made with blanket yarn, you already know it's going to be super soft. This is something really tiny and simple, especially working with the blanket yarn, that you could whip up in like 30 minutes. I crochet kind of fast, so it might take you a little bit longer if you're newer, but if you're like a seasoned crocheter, 30 minutes tops. Super cute, super adorable, and this pattern is available for free by Free Amigurumi Crochet. So adorable if you want a little plushie. For number 5, we have this Rustic Christmas Tree Ornament by Regina P Designs, and this is available on Ravelry for $1. Can't beat that. I did whip up a few of these and I think they're super cute. You do need some like wood beads or just any kind of beads for this. You can kind of mix and match and come up with your own little design, but these are super simple, super cute, and they'll look adorable on your tree. And again, this is another fast, cheap pattern. You can make it under 10 minutes. For number 6, we have this Christmas Tree Pop by Cable and Canvas. This person also made the little mushroom pops that are super cute, super popular, and she came out with some adorable Christmas themed pops, and this little Christmas tree pop So cute. I want to make a ton of these. I haven't purchased the pattern yet. It is available for $1.95 on Etsy. I do have the mushroom pop patterns and I just love making little keychains out of them, and I think this would be a cute little ornament, keychain. Really, you could make a ton of different versatile things with this, but it's super cute, super mini. These work up in maybe 20 minutes or less. I can whip the mushroom pops in like 15 minutes, so I'm sure this is another quick, fast pattern that'll be super popular, and people really like the fidgets, so super cute, wonderful as always. For number 7, we have this little 2-in-1 Kawaii Christmas tree pattern, and this is by To Crochet on Etsy. This pattern's for sale for $4.99. You get these 2 little adorable Kawaii Christmas tree plushies. These are worked with the blanket yarn, so you already know they're going to be super soft. I feel like these can be made in under an hour for sure. They're small, simple, and anything that you use blanket yarn with can be whipped up super fast. For number 8, we have these cute little snowflake ornaments by Expression Fiber Arts, and these are a free pattern available on YouTube. So cute, so simple. These are definitely a classic crochet ornament design that you see kind of all over the place for ages. But I don't know, it's just so cute to have little white snowflakes stick all over your tree. You can whip these up in like 15 minutes, and they're super fast, super simple. You could probably use blanket yarn with these and have them be a little bit more fluffy, but they work great with like acrylic yarn, and acrylic yarn's fairly cheap, so you could whip up a ton of these with like one skein of yarn, and they'd be a super popular item for your shows. For number 9, we have this super cute, adorable little snowman plushie, and this is available for free on Free Amigurumi Patterns. Super small, super cute. You just crochet 2 circles and then have a little like crochet details on it. You can whip this up in like 30 minutes probably less if you're faster. But yeah, these are another super adorable little just like thing you could place on your mantle or something, or just like have on your couch to cuddle, give to someone for Christmas. I think these would be a cute just like small option if you're doing shows or markets. It could be like a mid-tier item for sure, for sure. For number 10, we have this cute little gnome ornament by Handmade Heather, and this is available for free. They're super cute. Gnomes are just super popular lately, so I think this would be a fun option for craft shows, or just if you're a gnome lover, you can crochet it in a bunch of different colors. You really just need a bead to glue on and like a tassel, and just crochet a little hat, and it's super simple, super quick. You can make this in under like 15 minutes. And you could definitely play around with different colors and patterns and see what you like. For number 11, we have these adorable little hot cocoa mug ornaments, and these are by Ali Holly, and they're available for a free YouTube video. But these, I thought these were so adorable. You could really make like a bunch of different designs and little add-ins and stuff, and like they're just like adorable little hot cocoa ornaments. I've never seen anything like this. They're super small. You could probably whip these up in like 15 minutes or so, especially if you use like acrylic yarn, super fast, simple, something you could sell for like cheap at your markets. Number 12, we have this bee keychain, and this is a pattern that is available for free by Crochet Grove on her Instagram. Now, I made my bees in like Christmas colors, and I think this is really fun to do for just like any pattern really. You could just make like different color, like Christmas colors for them, and then you have like a Christmas themed plushie. But I think these are super fun to make in little Christmas stripes. Just a little festive thing that you could make up really quick, and bees are adorable and popular and everyone loves bees. For number 13, we have these crochet pine cone ornaments by Yurbaki Crochet, and these are available for free. It is a free video, but these are just super cute and fun, especially if you use some kind of like essential oils or something to spray on them and make them smell like the cinnamon pine cones that they sell at like the stores. I think that would be super fun. And if you just made a bunch of these and like put them on your tree, it would make it look like a realistic pine tree. I think that would be cute. But yeah. For number 14, we actually have a 3-in-1 pattern that I thought was super cute. So it's this Kawaii present bell and candle pattern, and this is by Fanny Toys on Etsy, and this pattern trio is $6. I think it was on sale at the moment, so it might have a little sale for the holidays if you want to check it out, but it was $6 originally. And I just think this is so adorable. I've never seen a little crochet candle or like a present, and that's like such a fun little idea. And they have little faces, so they're super cute, kawaii, adorable. But yeah, I thought this was just like a fun little pattern, and they're pretty small. You can work these up in like 30 minutes or less, depending on how fast you crochet. And with the blanket yarn, these will work up super quick and just be fun little like decorations that are cute to like put around your house or just put on your couch or just like give to a kid or something. I think these are super fun. For number 15, we have these adorable little mini stockings by Sorella. They are a free pattern. These are so cute. Like, just imagine little stockings just all over your tree. I think that's super fun. And these work up like 10 minutes. They're so fast to make. But yeah, these are so cute. Like, these little ornaments. Like, I just want to make a bunch of crochet things for my Christmas tree because these are all so cute. Number 16, this pattern. Oh my gosh. Like, I thought the stockings were cute, but this pattern is adorable. So these are mini crochet sweater ornaments, and this is by Rafa Musa Designs. These are so cute. These are just adorable. Like, the tiny little sweaters, like, I can't get over how adorable they are, and you can make this in like 15 minutes. So cute. So cute. For number 17, we have this little 3-pack of patterns, and this is free on Whistle and Ivy's blog, and these are just like an assortment of little Harry Potter ornaments. So you have little scarves, sweaters, and little house colored stockings, and oh my gosh, I'm sold. I want to make these. I want to make all of these and hang them on my tree. They're so cute, and the fact that they have little mini hangers for the sweaters, so cute. I gotta find mini hangers and make these because they're adorable, and I just want to make all the little house stockings too. I think this is so cute, especially if you're like a Harry Potter fan or know anybody who's a Harry Potter fan. This would be a great gift. Definitely making these. These are on my list. Number 18, we have this cute crochet Christmas tree cake, like the little Debbie cakes. And this is by Heather Corinne. It is a free pattern that I found on Pinterest, and this is just adorable. The pattern I think uses acrylic yarn, but if you use fluffy blanket yarn like Sweet Snuggles, this would be a super cute soft pillow. And I feel like you could definitely, if you're using Sweet Snuggles, you could work this up in under an hour, probably closer to an hour, depending how big you make it. But I want to make these too. These would be just a cute little like pillow accent thing for your couch. These are just adorable, and I love them, and I want to make some now. For number 19, we have this cute Peppermint Pillow by Yerbaki Crochet, and this is available for free. The pattern uses acrylic yarn, but I feel like if you use Sweet Snuggles or blanket yarn, you could definitely work this up a lot faster. Probably takes a little bit longer if you use acrylic yarn just because it's so small, but if you use blanket yarn, you could probably make this in like an hour and have a cute little peppermint pillow for your couch. I just think that would be so fun to make. Definitely a cute little decor idea. For number 20, we have these cute little Christmas themed gnomes. It comes with 5 different gnomes that are all Christmas themed, and this is a free pattern available by Yarn Inspirations. Again, super fun. These are definitely like mini gnomes. Some of them do have a lot of details, but I feel like you can work these up in under an hour. And again, gnomes are super popular, so another fun little thing to crochet and decorate your house with. Put it on your mantle, couch, whatever. Now for number 21, I thought this was a super unique idea. It is a Christmas tree scrubby, and this is a free pattern available by Yarn Inspirations again, but they sell like this scrubby yarn, and we've got some, and we made little like circular scrubbies for like washing dishes or stuff. And how cute would it be? How cute would it be to make a little Christmas tree scrubby to wash your dishes with during the season? You just like hang it in your kitchen. Just another cute little festive thing that you could make. For number 22, we have this really cute crochet candy cane pillow. This is a pattern by Cloudy Thoughts Co. and it's available for $4.99 on Etsy. I just think this is so cute, especially using it with blanket yarn. You could probably make this in under an hour, and it reminds me of all the cute like candy cane pillows you keep seeing all over like TikTok, but they're like super expensive because they're from like Pottery Barn or something. But you make one yourself. It's super cute. Just get some like Sweet Snuggles yarn, whip it up and you'll have a cute soft pillow for your couch. Number 23 is this cute Santa mug cozy, and this is by Joe to the World Creations, and this is available for free. Super cute little mug cozy. You know, you want to be drinking your hot cocoa and coffee during those cold winter months, and this will be something cute to protect your hands if you have a hot cup of coffee, and it's super festive for the holidays, especially if you want to leave out like milk and cookies. You could like wrap your little milk cup in a Santa cozy. Super cute. Number 24 is this really cute mini gingerbread amigurumi, and this is by Super Gurumi. It is a free pattern, and he's just so tiny. This is made with acrylic yarn, but it's like so small, but if you use blanket yarn, it would probably be a little bit bigger. But this is something that you could work up in like less than 30 minutes. Just a fun little cute thing to add to your house or to sell at markets. And finally, for number 25, we have this little crochet pickle ornament, and this is by Maria's Blue Crayon. It is a free pattern. If you're German, you understand the pickle thing, but I just thought this was super cute. Plus, people have been making a lot of those like big fluffy emotional support pickles, which I guess are super popular, so why not make a cute little pickle ornament for your tree as well. And this is just like a super kawaii design with little eyes. You can make it without the eyes too if you want to, but I think it's just super fun, cute. If you love pickles, go for it, you know, whatever. But that was all 25 of the Christmas crochet patterns you can make in under an hour. I hope you guys found some new fun inspiration for the holidays that you can work up. I'm definitely going to be making a few of these that I found. I think they're super fun, super cute. I already made a couple of them, so that's fun. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you want to see more little videos like this where I give you some inspiration for crochet. Also be sure to subscribe to watch more fun crochet content. Be sure to check the description box. All the patterns that I mentioned will be linked down there so you can find them easily all in one spot. But yeah, that's all for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.